Welcome to Lucie UP Setup Tutorial. In this tutorial, we will show you the basic steps required in order to set up your Lucie UP access. Ready? Let's start! First, let's set up on the board that you will share 2 emails columns that will be later used to set up the Lucie UP permissions. Later, we will see how all comes together in play. Now, verify you downloaded the app from the marketplace, and then go to the administration section. Navigate to the admin apps and choose the Lucie UP admin. Now click on the second tab, Configuration, and let's start setting it up. First, we need to choose which boards we can share. Once selected, we click on the Configure button in order to select which columns we want to share in the selected board. Now we can add fields to the board that will be visible on the portal. For each field, we can decide if it will be view only, editable, and whether it will be required once a new item will be created in the portal. Lucie UP is also supporting sub-items. You can select for each sub-item which columns will be shareable. Remember the email fields we added to the board in the beginning of the tutorial? Now it is the time to select one that will be used for the Assign To. This email field will give the person in that field the option to view the item on the portal, and the originator field will capture who created an item on the portal. Similarly, you need to choose what will be the default group in which new items will be created at. Next, you can set the system settings. In order to allow only the assigned to person to view his items, you need to enable the first checkbox. Other system settings can be also changed. Click on the I button on the right for an overview of each. For the sign-up method, you can choose if users can sign up by themselves without admin approval, with admin approval, or if they need to be set by the admin only. Here you can fully configure the feel and look of your portal, add your company logo, add description, background colors, and even add all your social media personalized links. You can also have a personalized banner on top of your portal. Don't forget to save your configuration. Ready to access your portal for the first time? Scroll down and click on Copy URL, which is your personalized URL link to the Lucie UP portal. You can share this link with your users and add it to your website. Don't forget that Lucie UP support variety of languages. Now let's log in and sign up to the Lucie UP for the first time and view your new portal. You can view all the items from all your boards in the master board, or select a specific board and view your assigned items in different views. Congrats, you did it! And feel free to contact us for free installation support.